Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber here in Dallas, Texas. Got my buddy Landon from Aqualux Detailing here in Dallas helping me out. We just got done finished coating this car. We did an aggressive one-step on it. But I want to review a product. This is a product that I actually like if you're looking for a good water-based tire dressing on a consumer level. You can buy this stuff in Walmart. Landon, let me see the bottle. The bottle is Chemical Guys Silk Shine Dressing. This is a ready-to-use formula. It is water-based, and we're going to put it on this tire and just kind of talk about it a little bit. Landon, why don't we shoot some on the... When I'm using a spray, I like to spray it onto the applicator block. I don't like to put it on the tire and then just wipe it into the tire. Oh my goodness gracious, Landon, I am one tired puppy. When you put it on there, it's got a nice flow to it when you put it on the tire. This is a high performance tire on this Corvette. It's low profile. This is going to leave a real nice satin matte look to the tire. We may put a second coat on it or whatever, but it's going to look really nice, and it's going to be water based. It's going to dry here within a couple of minutes. We may even knock it down a little bit because we did put a coating on this vehicle. We put DPC Shield on it. The last thing I want, even though my client has to keep this car in the garage for about 24 hours so the coating can stay dry, so let's say for instance the customer's like, hey, I want to go to the grocery store, it's not going to rain. Fine, you can drive it, right? I'm not saying you can't drive it, but it's really important when we're coating a vehicle that we use some type of a dressing that we're absolutely sure isn't going to sling. You want to know why? Well, even though it's water-based, there are some type of water-based or waterborne silicones that might be in tire dressings. That doesn't mean it's not absolutely silicone-free. If by chance it was to sling, we don't want it to sling on the coating during the 24-hour curing process. So I actually like this Chemical Guys product. I know that sounds crazy, right? Scott, you're a pro. What are you talking about? I absolutely love what it does for tires. It leaves a nice satin matte finish. It dries, and it dries within a couple of minutes, and it will not sling. One of the things that's nice about it, even here in Dallas where it's 100 degrees and the sun's baking on this, it won't reactivate and kind of get slimy, and then when my client takes off, it kind of slings on the car again. But it leaves a nice satin matte finish. It's not going to blow you away with shine and gloss, but I absolutely love it. Right after I coat a vehicle, I want to make sure I get absolutely no sling. And this stuff just kills it for me. It does great. Some people might like more gloss. Hey, put another layer on it if you want. But I think with those glossy, kind of flat black, does that make sense? Glossy, flat black wheels? I don't want the tire dressing to be so powerful or so prominent or so what I'm looking for, so loud. I want that gloss on the wheels to be seen. So that's why I really like a satin matte finish on a tire like this when it's matched up to a wheel like that. Landon, I want to thank you. We spent a lot of time. This was about a 6-hour project. An aggressive one-step. We pulled about maybe 60 to 70% of the defects off the paint. Got some real nice shine and gloss and then laid the coating on it. We got to do this tire, the other 3 tires, and we're done. But folks, if you're looking for a really nice, this is a pro grade as far as I'm concerned, Chemical Guys Silk Shine Dressing, water-based. This is great. This will work for you, and really nice when you coat a vehicle and you want to make sure you get no sling at all on the coating when it's trying to cure. Looks really nice. We might put another layer on it before the customer comes out, but we're ready to rock and roll. Landon, thank you so much. I'll hand you back that bottle. We'll talk to you guys later. Love you so much. We got some other clients to see. It's 4th of July. And Landon, why are we working on the 4th of July? We're idiots.
We like our job.
We like our job. Talk to you guys later. Love you guys.